guys, if you're back on my channel, you must find me interesting. My name is Ehsas and this is the Banter Mirror. So basically, my today's video, my 30th vlog, is on the lines of the uncertainty, the cloud of uncertainty that has been, showering around for a month now. And it has been showering on mostly the college students, especially the third year students of Delhi University and a few other colleges. So in today's video, I'll be showing you my perspective, my friends' perspective who are the students of Delhi University as well, and some friends who are outside Delhi University, their perspective on my university, and some perspectives of teachers and head of departments. So let's get on with the video. Are not being granted without examinations. The MHRD, UGC and Delhi University have so far shown extreme insensitivity to students and also a baffling lack of understanding about the detailed examination process. So this is the news clipping of around 9 hours ago from Outlook. So let's start with that, shall we? My perspective on this whole topic is that कम ऑन यार, कितने इंसेंसिटिव हो तुम। हम ऐसे एक यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ते हैं, हम ऐसे दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ते हैं जहां पे हर टाइप का स्टूडेंट है, चाहे वो बाहर किसी स्टेट से हो, चाहे वो इस स्टेट से हो, चाहे वो गरीब हो, चाहे वो एक्सट्रीमली अमीर हो। तो मेरी ये बात है कि अगर तुम ओपन बुक एग्जामिनेशन एक महीने से सजेस्ट कर रहे हो, मेरे एक्चुअली 2 पॉइंट्स हैं। पहली पॉइंट है कि ये जो ओपन बुक एग्जामिनेशन सजेस्ट कर रहे हो, उनमें you don't even care that some of the students don't have the facility of internet or any resources of network. I know you guys would laugh about this because आजकल किसके पास इंटरनेट नहीं है यार, कम ऑन, कैसी बात कर रहे हो। नहीं, ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में जिनके पास ये सुविधा नहीं है। Secondly, even if you're that insensitive to think that everybody has the resource to conduct an open book examination themselves, यार एक बात बताओ, तुम्हारी साइट तो हर 15 मिनट में क्रैश हो जाती है। How unplanned is that decision? जहां पे कोई भी चीज डालो, कोई भी एग्जामिनेशन बोलो या कोई सिलेक्शन बोलो, कुछ भी बोलो, 15 मिनट में तो तुम्हारी साइट क्रैश हो जाती है, आधे घंटे में साइट क्रैश हो जाती है। लोग जब तक जाएंगे, जाके अपना रोल नंबर लिखने जाएंगे या क्वेश्चन पेपर डाउनलोड करने जाएंगे, उतनी देर में तो तुम्हारी साइट क्रैश हो जाएगी। उसके बाद तुम लोग हर महीने you're delaying the dates of open book examination. You're like, now we'll conduct the open book examination. Now we'll conduct the open book examination. Now we'll conduct. Even recently, around 2 days ago, the Delhi University published a date sheet for open book examination in September, I think. कैसे करवाओगे इतनी देर में? अगर कंडक्ट नहीं करवा पाए, that means something is wrong with the system, something that should be corrected. Keep that in mind, guys. Don't be so insensitive. We are your students. For us, जैसे हमारे लिए स्कूल इम्पोर्टेंट था ना, हमारा स्कूल है वो, यार वैसे ही हमारे लिए कॉलेज है कि मेरा कॉलेज है ये। यार एटलीस्ट खुद इतने अनप्लान डिसीजन ले रहे हो, थोड़ा हमारे बारे में सोच लो। नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द व्यू पॉइंट्स, टू द ओपिनियंस एंड टू आई डोंट नो perspective of some other students, some students of Delhi University, some students from not Delhi University, and a professor's point of view and a head of department's point of view. Let's get on with the video. So firstly, we'll start with Dr. Munshi Mohammad Yunus. He is a head of department in Zakir Hussain Evening College, Delhi University. Let's listen to his perspective on this subject.
In the time of this pandemic, the students are facing lots of problems. As far as the Delhi University is concerned, authority warns that final year students should go through the OBE examination. But the teaching body as well as some student bodies are also objecting this, putting the point, the facilities for OBE is not possible for each and every students. So there are some dichotomies, there are some real problems, and unfortunately the students are in the receiving end. So I hope that authority and teaching body and students should sit together and come over from that problem, and students should get their justice as early as possible. Thank you.
Now we'll invite or we'll hear out Mrs. Shashwati Ganguly. She is a professor at Miranda House of Bengali Honors. So let's hear her out and let's go.
Hello friends, I'm Dr. Shashwati Ganguly from Miranda House. I'd like to share with you the challenges faced by my final year students under the present circumstances. The COVID crisis has impacted every aspect of our lives, including the education system, which has left third year college students in the throes of uncertainty. Their faith hangs on the final year of their college education. They are disillusioned by the open book exam format. Their disenchantment has been compounded by technical glitches like torrent internet connectivity, unresponsive websites, and email IDs returned invalid. At other occasions, even when students are lucky to log in to the website, download the question paper with valid OTP, they are unable to upload their answer sheets due to inadequate bandwidth or other website related challenges. What should be the directive from UGC under these circumstances? The students do not know what Delhi University will direct on 10th August, by when some clarity is expected. There are a number of remote locations in India like Leh, Ladakh, where internet connectivity is major limiting factor. What will students from such location do? Students are getting increasingly baffled, and at least some of them are slipping into depression in these unprecedented times. No more for today. Thank you.
Third is Rajdeep Srivastav. He's from my college, Sri Aurobindo College Evening, and he'll be telling us about his problems because he is a third year student who just completed his third year and is still waiting for his degree. So let's hear him out.
आए दिन आप एग्ज़ाम की डेट एक्सटेंड किए जा रहे हो सर। सिर्फ एक बार सर थोड़ी सी एम्पैथी दिखाते हुए, थोड़ा सा सर अपनी ईगो को साइड रख के एक बार हमारे बारे में सोचिए सर, थर्ड ईयर वालों के। सर 3 साल की डिग्री 3.5 साल की सर हो जाएगी अगर अब एक्सटेंड हुआ डेट तो। सर या तो एग्ज़ाम करा लो प्रोजेक्ट बेसिस पे या कुछ भी करवा लो सर, बस डिग्री दे दो हम लोग की। क्योंकि सर हमें पता है सर डिग्री मिलने से सर कुछ होगा नहीं, लेकिन सर हम अपनी लाइफ के एक नेक्स्ट स्टेज में पहुँचेंगे जो कि सर मैटर करता है हर एक स्टूडेंट के लिए अभी। सो प्लीज़ डिग्री दे दो।
Fourth is Abhay Sharma. He's a batchmate of mine. He's from my college. Again, that's Sri Aurobindo College Evening, Delhi University. And he'll be telling about his perspective on this subject. Let's go.
This year has been very interesting because of all the tutor protests and the CEA protests going on. And especially for the outgoing batch, it's very stressful. And the decision the Delhi University is taking can highly affect their future plans and their further education plans. And instead of supporting them, they are expecting them to appear in the exams, which is a little inconsiderate, knowing that the students must be having a rough time finding their study materials and all the classes not conducted for them. And apart from having to lose their last college days, they might compromise with their career from this decision.
Our fifth guest is Sloka Roy. He's from Ambedkar University, and his perspective will be an outsider's perspective. So let's go hear him out.
I just hope that the government does take a firm stand on what to do regarding the exams of the students, and I also believe that whatever decision that the government takes becomes accessible for everyone. Earlier, the Delhi University was supposedly was going to conduct exams for third year students, but I don't think that is a great move, considering the fact that there are lots of children who don't have access to internet, and for them internet is still a privileged concept. What is the government thinking for doing for them? And like, government is once again changing their policy again and again. I think they should take a firm stand on what to do regarding this issue. Thank you.
Sixth and last guest would be Rachit Agarwal. He's from Thapar University. Let's hear him out.
Hi, so this whole DU exam cancellation thing, मतलब it's very confusing. मतलब मैं तो DU में हूँ नहीं, तो मेरे पास सच पर्सनली तो फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा, बट मतलब मेरे काफ़ी दोस्त हैं जिनकी मतलब they don't know what to do and it's very confusing यार. तो तुम ये समझो कि भाई उनकी वैसी इतनी फटी हुई है और तुम ऊपर से उनको एग्ज़ाम की डेट भी नहीं बता रहे. भाई बता के ख़त्म करो, क्या सीन है भाई. मतलब अपनी लाइफ में टेंशन क्यों लेते हैं भाई लोगों को, आज तक समझ नहीं आया भाई.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please press that like button. If you like it very much, please press that subscribe button and turn on that post notification so you never miss another update from me. And please comment down your opinions, your perspective, your suggestions, and I'll be sure as hell to read them out. And last thing before I go is that there's a system, so please follow it. बच्चों पे वैसे भी बहुत स्ट्रेस है ड्यू टू द पैंडेमिक. You're just increasing the stress, you're just increasing the negativity. एक बच्चे को इतना भी पुश मत करो कि इतना ओवर पावर हो जाए वो स्ट्रेस से कि वो कुछ और ना कर पाए, इतना ब्रेक डाउन हो जाए. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye. सुनो जाते जाते एक बात बोला था. जल्दी जाके सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाओ, बेल नोटिफिकेशन बटन दबाओ, ताकि जब भी मैं आऊं आपके फोन पे भी घंटी बजे.